This is my diamond blanket. It's in my Rocket Clothing London collection. It's knitted in DK, shown here in a soft DK cotton, which gives it a nice crisp look. Still soft, so still lovely for baby. So these edges of the diamonds are a little cable. So you've got a cable 2 front and a cable 2 back. I will show you how to work these 2 cables in one of my knit technique videos, so do take a look if you're tempted to try this pattern. This blanket has a garter stitch edge to it, and the garter stitch runs into and edges the outside diamond. You can see that. So it's worked in DK. The size of the baby blanket is in the instructions, and I also give you tips on how to, if you want to knit a large blanket and choose your own size, I'll give you tips on how to work out how much yarn you'll need and how to increase the size of the blanket, so you can knit one any size that you would like. This blanket also looks great in a majority of DK yarns. I've seen so many customers knit them in various yarns. Do hop over to my Ravelry page if you would like to see this blanket knitted in many colours and many yarns. I always choose a very simple plain yarn to show the stitch off to its best, but it also looks nice in tweedy yarns, melange yarns, textured yarns. But if you want this look, I would go for a very simple plain yarn, a DK merino, DK 100% cotton, or a mixed wool acrylic yarn would also look nice. So this is my diamond blanket. You can find the link to this knitting pattern in the description below.